Hey everyone, it's Whitney. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some DIY copper curtain rods. I was just at Home Depot and holy cow, the price of copper is through the roof right now. So you can do this DIY with conduit and you can spray paint your conduit copper, black, gold, whatever color you want to do. But just disclaimer, I did buy this copper a couple years ago when it was way more affordable. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Whitney and I help you DIY a cozy home. Normally we're over at the farmhouse, but today we are in this cute little cozy 1950s tiny little house that we are getting ready to Airbnb. Since we are making a double hung curtain rod, I'm using two pieces of wood. The bottom is going to be 1x4 and the top is going to be a 1x2. This will allow the top rod to stick out a little bit further in the profile. To attach our curtain rods to these brackets, I'm using a 3/4 inch copper bell hanger on the top and a 1/2 inch pipe strap on the bottom. I do wish this 1x2 was just a smidge bit wider so the bell hanger could fit onto it with a little bit of reveal behind it. But if this is something that's going to bother you, you can step up the width of that top piece of wood. But just remember, if you step up the top piece, you're going to have to step up the bottom piece to account for room for the copper strap on the bottom. Now I am aligning my pieces on top of each other and cutting them at the same time. This will ensure that they are the exact same length. To put your end brackets together, you're going to need some wood glue and some clamps. Hopefully you have the right size clamps because I sure didn't. I will show you how I held them down in just a second. If you want to go the extra mile and make sure that your screws match the copper pipe straps, this Rust-Oleum copper spray paint is almost identical to the copper hardware. Now before we glue our pieces together, give these babies a quick sanding. Now I went a little heavy here with the glue. You definitely don't need this much. It was a new bottle glue and I was really excited. Now if you had the proper size clamps, you could just clamp these down, or you can put an old piece of fence on it and weigh it down with a paint can. And now you can finish your end brackets however you'd like. You can paint them, you can stain them. I have Early American and Jacobean. I typically like Early American, but I ended up going with Jacobean for this project. I think it looks really good against the copper. Once your brackets are dry from your paint or your stain or whatever it is that you're doing, we're going to pre-drill 3 holes in the top. The one in the middle is going to be for the bell hanger screw, and the 2 on the sides is going to be for the screw holes that's going to secure the piece to your wall. I am drilling these holes pretty close together so the bell hanger can conceal the 2 additional screws. Now for the bottom, we are going to mark where our 1/2 inch strap is going to go and pre-drill the holes for that as well. If you don't pre-drill your holes, your wood may split and then you'll have to start all over again, and ain't nobody got time for that. Now the exciting part is time to attach your support brackets to the wall. First, make sure you're on a stud and then screw in the 2 side screws. Make sure your screws are long enough to go through the wood and into the stud properly. Then you can attach your bell hanger. Go ahead and hang the smaller 1/2 inch pipe on the bottom, start in the middle, and secure the pipe with the 1/2 inch strap. At this point, either hang your curtains or the drapery clip rings on each side of the pipe and then secure the ends with the pipe strap. And I'm going to do 9 per side, so there's going to be 9 on the smaller one and then 9 on the larger one on each side. Put your copper pipe on and then secure it with this little strapping piece. Then we're going to put one more screw here. So this screw is not only holding the strap on, it's also holding the little block piece we made into the wall as well. And then you can secure the ends of your larger 3/4 inch pipe with the bell hanger. And don't forget to put some cute little pipe caps on to finish the look. Okay, so the easiest way to hang your curtains are separate the 2 ends and then go ahead and clip on the very ends of your curtain. It's naturally going to want to come down to a little point. This is going to be your midpoint. So then put 3 over here, 3 over here, and this is your middle clip. Then you're going to do the same thing. Come down to the midpoint, 1 over here, 1 over here, and this is your middle clip. And then same thing, midpoint, clip, midpoint, and clip. And just do that for this side. Now your curtain rings are evenly spaced on the entire curtain. The great thing about using drapery clip rings is you can take these off and wash them or change them out without having to take off the entire curtain rod. Well, I hope you guys liked this DIY double curtain rod. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. And if you recreate something like this, tag me over on Instagram. I love to see what you guys create. You are so creative. All right, I will see you all on the next one. Bye.